Hey, hi all, this is Param. Okay, in this series of videos we are looking how the search happening within the Elasticsearch, right? Okay, so in this video we will see that what is a near real time search. What is a near real time search? Okay, nothing but okay. So whenever we write the any indexing any documents, okay, okay, what will happen is it's right in the file system cache first. Okay, it's right in the file system cache, so that is called, we call it a segment. Okay, it's a segment, so it's right in the within the segments. Okay, here as you can see, right, so each one is separate segment. Okay, each one is separate segments. Okay, so first what it will do now, so whenever we do ingest any document, so it will written into the file system cache that is available in the memory. Okay, once it is written in the file system cache, not in the disk. Okay, file system cache itself, it is still you can do searching. Okay, so that's how they will say, like, once you ingested any document, that is documents available within a second. Okay, within a second it's available for the searching. Okay, so it is because of it write the new segments, okay, in the memory itself first, then it will write it into the file system. Okay, file system, so cache into the file system, right? You can see that here, right? So whatever was in the memory, it's moved to the moved into the file system. That is what. Okay, so that is what we call say a refresh. What do you mean refresh then? What is now? So some things we are creating, I mean closing the, I mean we are moving the in memory segment cache, move into the new segment in the file system and create new segments. Okay, that means, right, closing the current segment and opening the new segments. That is what, right? Closing current segment and opening a new segment, that is called refresh. So by this mechanism, what is it? By this mechanism means what? So it's really first cache in the file system, then it will go for right in the disk. Okay, that's how. So that is how it's available in the real time. It's available in the real time. Okay, so usually you could have seen that many of my APIs. Okay, I would add whenever ingest, I would add at the end as a refresh. So what is now, you refresh it, that means write into segment, then move that segment into the file system. That is what refresh means. Okay, so we can do we can do while ingesting itself. So that's how I have done many times. Okay, and sometimes let's say if you want to restart my cluster sometimes. Okay, so that time we will do a refresh. So explicitly we are calling post refresh. Okay, or we can wait for refresh time. So usually refresh interval 1 second. Okay, so it's refresh interval for 1 seconds. Okay, so that's how available for the new whatever the ingested in new document, it's available for the search. It is available for the search. So that's why people would say it's a near real time search. So that means any ingested documents, it's immediately available for the search. But how its mechanism, that is it's called refresh. Okay, it's called, technically it's called, I mean API level is called refresh. Okay, but technically it's a segment level. Okay, so it's writing all the data into segments, so then move that segment into the file system, from the memory to file systems. Okay, that's how. Okay, so whenever the segments are in the main memory itself, you can access them. You can access it in the search query. So that's why it's really fast. Okay, so that's all about the that's all about the near real time search. Thank you.